Hey, this is Dr. Jacob Tilsley from the Wild Foot and Ankle office in Lincoln Park. I'm one of our foot and ankle surgeons here, and one of the things we get a lot of questions about early in the new year is how to find a good pair of running shoes, especially for our new patients who are taking on New Year's resolutions or have just started running. They're often wondering what to look for in a pair of running shoes. Often, what you really are looking for is a good standard neutral shoe. Outside of our patients with very flat feet, oftentimes these support shoes end up being over-supportive and are more hurtful than they are helpful. When you're looking at the shoe, tends to be stiffer is better. The more flexibility they have, the more work your foot has to do to support you while running. And usually you want to look for the more day-to-day shoe. The very fancy racing shoes with carbon plates and stuff like that throughout them are very good for a limited number of situations. And it tends to be for our new runners, especially the day-to-day, it's just not the right shoe for you. At this point, pretty much all the brands make a good one, but the go-to standards usually are Brooks, Asics, New Balance, and then with the new kids on the blocks like Hoka or On Clouds, you can make a very good shoe that can be good for you. The best advice I always have for my patients is get your foot into a shoe. If you go to a place like a Fleet Feet or a Roadrunner Sports, they will even have a treadmill available so you can put the shoes on and try them on the treadmill before you buy them. There's no one size fits all when it comes to running shoes, but you'll generally get the most bang for your buck if you get a good, neutral, day-to-day running shoe that can take you from anything from your long, plodding runs along the lake to even your speed work around the track. If you're interested in hearing more about running shoes or having any concerns with your feet as you start to run, come on down to our location. We'll be happy to see you and take a look and see what we can do.